Let's check today how to disable all lighting from a 3D scene. So if you create now a 3D scene, let's include a mesh here. So let's define a mesh instance, any mesh, and then a material, a spatial material, and let's set an albedo color here. So as you can see, it's not working. Why? Because right now Godot is accounting for all lighting in the scene. We're not gonna get in depth in this video on how the ambient light, directional light, and other lightnings work. Let's just see how we can tell Godot to turn off lighting for this material. There is an unshaded flag in the flags menu for the material that allows you to tell Godot to turn off lighting calculations for this material. So now you can see that you can change the color and it will match exactly the color that you selected as albedo. That's it for today. Hope this helps. Thank you.